Hi friends, and welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Um, very late post, but yeah, quite interesting. See, um, एक्चुअली वामिका को कुछ भी खाना पसंद नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल से वो कुछ खाती है और मैं उससे कैप्चर करती हूँ। मोस्टली वामिका को मैं फ्रूट्स देती हूँ खाने के लिए, क्योंकि वो उसमें भी जो वो सेलेक्ट करती है, जो उसे पसंद आता है वही मैं खिलाती हूँ। एंड आई ट्राई हर मोर एंड मोर, I try her to eat more and more fruits because it's good for health and for skin too. So this is a new fruit she has tried and she loved it, as you can see in the video too. So let's check out which fruit is that and how much she loved it. The video will itself show her love towards that fruit. And don't forget to subscribe, share and like our channel. And I can only say that healthy recipes I'll be posting. Definitely I'll be posting. I was busy in few stuffs since few days, but now I might be posting it regularly because I'm free a bit. And so yeah, let's check out how Amika is eating her fruit and has she loved it or not. You can check that. So you might have seen Monica was eating strawberry. Strawberries are good in vitamin C and highly rich in fiber. So it's very healthy fruit for your babies. Just to try it with your babies because it's very yummy too. See, Monica is smiling. So yeah, this was it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share our channel for more interesting videos and some good and healthy start for your babies. So do visit our channel again. So take care. Oh, so she was sleepy and now she has woke up. So now, bye.